Welcome, I'm Abhi, the Solutions Marketing Specialist at LeddarTech. I'm glad you've taken the time to view this video and are looking to educate yourself. In this video, I'll introduce you to NCAP, the role it plays in the automotive sector, and the various NCAP programs across the world with a special focus on US NCAP and Euro NCAP. Specifically, I will dig deeper into the ADAS technologies that are or will be a part of NCAP programs. Furthermore, I'll introduce you to the complexity of testing requirements that vehicles must go through for their ADAS technologies to rank well in their NCAP testing and the challenges that they face. Finally, this video ends with the role that LeddarTech's sensor fusion and perception technology plays in improving ADAS performance for OEMs and Tier 1s. So hang in tight and let's get started. NCAP stands for New Car Assessment Program, and it tests new vehicles that enter the market on a variety of things and awards a score or a rating to a vehicle based on how well it has performed against those New Car Assessment Program tests. The better the performance, the better the rating. NCAP testing involves multitude of tests. These range from doing frontal crash tests, as shown in the picture to the right, or rollover resistance tests that measure the ability of a vehicle to protect its occupants in case the vehicles roll over. As sensing and perception technologies have matured, so have ADAS technologies. A key benefit of ADAS technologies is that they lead to safer roads and fewer accidents. With the maturing of ADAS technology, new car assessment programs across the world are now starting to include ADAS testing as part of their safety testing requirements, as part of their new car assessment programs. The key question to ask is, why does NCAP matter? It matters because end consumers care about vehicle safety. Studies show that safety is the top consideration for a family when purchasing a new vehicle. Keep an eye out for a piece by LeddarTech where we cover the latest proposed changes to the US NCAP by NHTSA and what ADAS technologies are being modified and added to the program. We believe there's an opportunity for our customers to show better performance on NCAP tests with LeddarTech. In total, there are 12 NCAP programs across the world, each catering to its specific region and needs. NCAP programs across the world are at different levels of maturity and ADAS adoption. Leading those are US NCAP and Euro NCAP. Both these programs consist of doing frontal tests, side impact tests, and check for how well a particular vehicle protects its occupants. Over the last couple of years, both programs have evolved to add ADAS technologies and continue to update their requirements with new NCAP regulations coming in for Europe in 2025, and similarly NHTSA also proposing new NCAP regulations in 2022. Historically, some of the ADAS technologies that are currently a part of these programs are adaptive cruise control, lane support system, and automated emergency braking system for the Euro NCAP, and similarly lane departure warning, forward collision warning, dynamic brake support, and crash imminent braking for the US NCAP. In the next slide, we're going to dig deeper to understand the challenges that OEMs face and the stringent testing required that is associated with NCAP testing. For a vehicle to rank well on NCAP tests, its perception system must perform well under a host of conditions and show strong performance on multiple criteria. As an example, Euro NCAP 2025 has introduced testing for VRUs, the pedestrian and the cyclist. While on the face of it, one would see 3 tests for each object category, in reality it's much more different and much more complex. Test vehicles undergo thorough scrutiny. Just some of the changing variables within these tests are varying test vehicle speed, varying the object speed, whether varying the object's angle of introduction, whether the object is being introduced from the near side or far side, and whether the object is occluded or not. So these are just some of the things that the test vehicles, when they're being tested for ADAS features, these are just some of the things that they have to deal with. Furthermore, future testing of NCAP will also incorporate nighttime testing and inclement weather testing. Vehicles in the future are going to be tested at night, and the vehicles are going to be subjected to inclement weather when their ADAS features are being tested for the NCAP program. Given the complexity of existing tests and the challenges that lay ahead, perception solutions must be able to perform well on multiple parameters, be scalable, and sensor agnostic. What this does is it enables ADAS features to be improved upon using the same platform and enables OEMs and Tier 1s to future-proof development and reduce development time. LeddarTech helps OEMs and Tier 1s unlock new levels of performance and offers LeddarVision, a raw data sensor fusion and perception software stack solution. With the addition of vulnerable road users to NCAP testing requirements, LeddarVision plays a critical role in providing early object detection, leveraging its sensor fusion capabilities. This is a key performance advantage that LeddarVision software stack provides OEMs and Tier 1s. 24/7 operation is the ultimate goal of autonomous vehicles. Equally important, it's a key tool in enabling customer adoption of ADAS systems. LeddarVision's ability to detect and track objects under poor weather conditions such as fog, rain, snow, and even when the camera is saturated is what distinguishes it from its competitors and makes safer ADAS a reality. Using raw data sensor fusion, the solution provides strong performance in both day and night. The third element in realizing strong NCAP performance is the ability to develop an accurate environmental model. LeddarVision's demonstrated performance in small object detection, providing 3D bounding boxes, accurate free space detection, and computer vision and machine learning based classification system formed the basis of a robust, high performance perception system. Low false alarms are critical to safety. They are so critical that ensuring low false alarms is a key milestone, is a key consideration in agencies such as the NHTSA, because this is what defines consumer adoption of ADAS. For end consumers, it's important that not only should the technology intervene as designed, but also that the technology not deploy falsely. Too many wrong deployments will result in customer dissatisfaction with the ADAS feature and may even lead to customers disengaging the ADAS feature on their vehicle. This is something that USA's NHTSA has identified and is looking to address in their new car assessment program update. I encourage you to learn more about LeddarVision. We have multiple resources available on the website where you'll get to see the tech notes, where you'll be able to see how LeddarTech is making ADAS a reality and making autonomy a reality with its participation in Project Arrow, which it is working with the Automotive Parts Manufacturers Association here in Canada. You'll also see performance videos and how LeddarVision is able to develop a comprehensive 3D environmental model with its accurate lane detection, free space detection, 3D bounding boxes, and a bird's eye view. Moreover, you'll get access to the ebook, which will explain the fundamentals of LeddarVision and the perception technology it works on. I encourage you to visit LeddarTech.com